Also, we got Jesus Flavor. This is Cool Ranch Doritos baked chicken tenders. What's up, baby? Oh, somebody. This right here is definitely a hubba kind of dish. Turn the light on here right there, baby, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Oh, somebody. Cool Ranch Doritos chicken tenders. Baked, that is. Got the bacon ranch dressing. Got the ketchup. Got the seasoned fries right there, baby. Oh, somebody. Cool, like holler at me. Need that sponsor. Got the hot sauce squad back there, me mugging it about flapping slugging today, baby. Georgia Empire State. Yes, sir. Oh, we trying to get there. It's right here, cook time about 45 minutes. You know, the egg wash flour. Featuring Gdepps. This is all-purpose rub. That's all you need. 3 onion, 50 degrees, 45 minutes. Done deal. Grind up some Cool Ranch chips right there. You might can see them in there. It's right here, just a topping, but you can see the Doritos are actually in the chicken tender right there. Done deal. Chicken tenders are actually just chicken breasts cut up. Thought I'd tell you that. These flavor dishes, Cool Ranch Doritos baked chicken tenders. Go Dogs 2021-22. Thank me later.